Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to cover what is retail, the different types of retailing, what is a site, what is a store, and what is a distribution center, the difference between a store and a DC, the difference between a DC and a fulfillment center, what are different models of a fulfillment center. So let us start. What is retailing and what is a site? A retailing is a channel of distribution where some quantity of goods are sold directly to the consumer. In simple terms, retailing is the transaction of goods between a retailer and a customer or a consumer where the goods is not bought for a resale purpose. Remember, a retailer is a person or a business that sells small quantities of goods to customers for their actual use. And what is a site in a retail? A site is a physical location, also known as brick and mortar store, where business sell products directly to consumers. A site could be a store or a distribution center or a fulfillment center. Retail sites or stores or DCs are places where most of the actual sales of the customer takes place. They act as both a marketing tool for the brands and a support tool for the customers to exchange and communicate important information. So, how does a retail works? Retail works on simple revenue model of markup. The retailers usually buy goods at a cost price from suppliers or direct suppliers and add up cost of labor, equipment, distribution and its maintenance to it along with the desired profit margin and sell it at a higher price, which should be reasonable. Characteristics of retailing. So retailing can be differentiated from wholesaling or manufacturing because of its certain distinct characteristics which include direct contact with customer. Any retail store or DC involves direct contact with end customer and retailers act as a mediator between the wholesaler or a direct manufacturer or supplier and the customer or the manufacturer and the customer depending upon the distribution channels used. Relationship with the customer. Retailers form a bond with the customers and help them decide which products and services they should choose for themselves. Retailers usually stock small quantity of goods compared to manufacturers and wholesalers. Apart from this, retailers usually stock different goods of different brands according to the current market demands. Retailers act as the company's representative to the end customers who give them their feedback and suggestions. Retail stores usually have very limited shelf space and only stock goods which have good demand. Since retailing involves selling the products directed to the customers, it also witnesses the maximum price of the products. The most common examples of retailing are the traditional brick and mortar stores like Walmart, supermarkets, Best Buy, Aldi, etc. But retailing is limited to them. It also includes small kiosks at the malls, online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and even restaurants, supermarkets which sell food, stocks, stores, and services. So, what is a store and what is a distribution center? A store is not just a commercial establishment that sells goods. It is the final stage in the distribution chain where the products or services reach the end customer. Retail stores are characterized by their focus on customer needs, offering a range of products and services designed to meet consumer demand in a convenient and accessible manner. So some of the retail stores are supermarkets, specialty stores, chain stores, etc. Whereas a distribution center is a specialized building that is designed to store products for retailers, stores, and wholesalers to be redistributed to another location or directed to customers. Distribution serves as a crucial component of supply chain management by storing, managing, and distributing goods to retailers, wholesalers, or directly to consumers. Distribution centers are often located in areas that are easily accessible, like nearer to main roads, highways, which makes it easier for transport trucks to drop off and pick up items more efficiently. So let me give a Example at a layman level. For example, two sets of customers went into two different stores. Stores usually sell commodities to end customers. Those commodities which store get from DC. So stores are here are vendors to the end customers, whereas DC is a vendor to stores. Besides, DC get those details, those products, services from product suppliers. So DC is a customer as well. So in a single sense, store act as a supplier to end customer, whereas distribution center act as a supplier to the store and also a customer to product supplier. So now what is the difference between distribution center and a fulfillment center? If we see from a distance, both might function and work alike, but distribution center primarily focus on efficiently managing and distributing products to various retail locations, wholesalers, or other businesses, whereas fulfillment centers are designed for receiving, processing, and shipping customer orders, primarily for e-commerce businesses. Distribution centers often handle large quantities of inventory for multiple purposes, including restocking retail stores, whereas fulfillment centers focus on handling individual customer orders, ensuring timely and accurate deliveries. Distribution centers may fulfill customer orders, but their main role is to distribute product to various other outlets or stores rather than directly selling them to end customers. Fulfillment centers have a direct role in processing customer orders, ensuring they are packed accurately and shipped promptly and ensure it reaches to customers. Distribution center commonly deal with bulk storage of products, managing larger quantities in optimized storage configurations and conditions. Fulfillment centers manage individual products and they'll pick, pack and ship them as per customer orders. What are the other different models of distribution centers? A distribution center can be designed or modeled as per different business requirements. Some of the models are a centralized DC. It's a strategic logistics approach that involves consolidation of distribution activities within a central hub. This central hub of a distribution center acts as a primary point for inventory consolidation, sorting, and dispatching to various destinations. For example, of a retailer with this profile is an apparel brand which sells many products related to apparels in various sizes, colors, and designs. The advantages of centralized distribution center is cost effectiveness in terms of inventory management and transportation. This may result in longer shipping times as this centralized DC has to manage all the activities of a distribution center and needs longer shipping times to certain locations. Now, the another model is decentralized DC. Decentralized distribution or warehousing is better suited to business such as a bed in a box retailer that sells only few types of bulky products like mattresses but manufactures them in larger quantities as per the product's demand. The advantages of decentralized distribution center is faster delivery times to various regions, reducing shipping costs. So different consideration for decentralized DCs are increased complexities in inventory management and potentially higher overall operating costs. The other models of DCs are 3PL providers, usually 3PL third party logistics. Companies or firms that provide a vast swath of e-commerce services primarily relating to tasks such as order fulfillments, inventory management, order processing, picking and packing fulfillment services, e-commerce shipping, and last mile delivery services. They are good alternative to self-fulfillment or first party fulfillment services such as Amazon FBA because they provide increased flexibility, cheaper pricing, and value added services. The advantages of 3PL providers are outsourcing logistic functions to experts, allowing you to focus on core business activities. Dependencies on third-party providers and potential loss of control over other certain aspects are the major considerations of 3PL providers. The popular third-party logistics are Mahindra Logistics, EWL, FedEx, Blue Dart, etc. The other model in distribution centers are drop shipping. Drop shipping is a business model where items bought from a store are shipped directly to the customers by the suppliers or manufacturers. In this, there is no process of buying, storing, and shipping inventory. When a drop shipping store makes a sale, it forwards the order to a supplier who handles delivery to the customer. This means stores do not need to invest in warehouse spaces or risk getting stuck with unsold inventory. As a result, business can allocate more resources to other retail activities such as marketing. The advantages of drop shipping stores are minimal upfront investment in inventory, reduced warehousing costs and maintenances. The consideration for drop shipping stores are less control over shipping times and potential quality issues. Some of the drop shipping store examples are Sale.Who, Babstore, Printful, etc. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.